Hey guys, today we have this 2008 Town and Country Chrysler van, and they have a situation here that the key is locked inside the car, and it's actually the fabric. As you can see, it's there. So we're gonna open this up and unlock it real quick. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is confirm everything is locked, check all the doors is locked, that there's no access to it. So we're gonna be using the Lishi CY24 2-in-1 pick. So let's go ahead, come to this door in here. First thing we're gonna do is lubricate it. I'm pretty sure it has been used, this one. So let's go ahead, lubricate it with Viduni. Put it in, then just screw it there. And then let's go ahead, just try to move it, make sure it's good. Let's go ahead, get a good look here, and then let's go ahead, try to pick this one. We're going downwards here to unlock it, so put a little bit tension, make sure it's all the way in. Put tension here, so you can see from here. Let me see, let's go focus here real quick. If you can see, a little bit too bright here, so you can see 2. You go 2 going down, so there you go. Bouncy, 3, bouncy, 4, 5, there you go, 6 is bouncy, 7 is bouncy. So we go back at 2, a little bit bouncy there, 3, bouncy, 4, 5, 6, bouncy, 7 is bouncy. So let's do it again. 2, it's kind of bouncy, but it's not really bouncy. See if you can turn that a little bit. And 3, and 4, I think I picked 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's get a little bit more tension again. 2, 3. If you overpicked it, we're just gonna redo it again. This is actually my first one picking this. First time I'm using this CY24. So let's do it again. Put tension here. Let's go to 2, 3, 4, it's bouncy, 5, 6, and 7. Nothing here. So 2, 3, 4. Okay. If that doesn't work, let's try go ahead lock it first, going up. Make sure. Alright, let me get some gloves here. Put a little tension here. Let's go to 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. Having a hard time with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that and put some more Udini in here. Then do it again. Let's go back. So I'm picking it to the lock position right now. And I'm gonna go back. You can see there's a number 8 there too. All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this up with a tool, and maybe we can just press that unlock button right there. The unlock button. So we're gonna be using this tool here, the pump, to open it up. All right, let's set it up. All right, so I got the pump a little bit. You have a little bit opening here. I'm not trying to open too much. Then I have this long rod here. We'll see if we can reach it with this. Let's see if we can put it in. And then once it's in, what we gotta do, just press the unlock button. You can press it. If that's the unlock button, it'll be great. Or if you can't press the unlock button, we're just gonna unhook it here with the latch. Right there. And we'll see. See if we can. There you go. See that? I didn't have to press the unlock button. And just latch it from here. Just this one is the other side. Alright, that's it, guys. So we got it open. Didn't have any damage here. Let's get the key. Make sure. So here you go. Lock, unlock. We'll see. We can close it again. There you go. This one works. So the key fob works. It just locks by itself. So we're gonna offer them to get another spare key because it locks by itself. So that's it, guys. That's pretty quick. We already unlocked it. That's not a problem. Alright, guys. The next video.